Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple photos into one Facebook story. This is a great way to make collage or share several pictures together in a single story. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app installed and log into your account. Then from the home screen, tap create story at the top. Now you will see your gallery. Tap the select option and choose the photos you want. After selecting the pictures, look at the editing tools at the top, tap on layout. Here you can choose different grid styles to place multiple photos together in one story, as I given in the example or given video. Pick the layout you like and then arrange or resize the picture with your fingers. Now you can add text, stickers or even change the background color to make your story look more creative. You can also add the music as given in the example or in the video you can see. Once you are happy, tap share to story at the bottom and that's it. Your story with multiple photos in one layout is live on Facebook. And that's how you add multiple photos into a single Facebook story using the layout option. Quick, simple and fun. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.